What's up, YouTube? It's TNT Lamont. I have a little tutorial for you guys. I don't know if you guys know how to do this, but I'm just now figuring it out, and I'm gonna let you guys on it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm on my Instagram right there. Make sure you follow me there. So I'm gonna teach you how. I know those Instagram live notifications get annoying, because they do get annoying to me, and I finally figured it out. So basically what you want to do is hit the gear button right here. Scroll down till you see all the way down till you see push notifications. Okay, brothers and sisters, push that John right there. See, this is where you can turn off anything. You can turn off your likes, notifications, comment likes. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what else. Accepted follow requests. Sorry for all those well, not all those friends on Instagram. You can really turn off anything. Wait, what is the Instagram direct requests? Put that on from everyone. I'm weak at the thing that they have. It says John Appleseed for their thing. But anyways, let's get to it right here. Live videos. Off. On. Off. That's how you do it. If this helped you out, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching, brothers.
My pride was the cause of it all. I apologize for the flaws in it all, wrongs in it all. Cause you and me always be tight. Emily, every single day. And even when I start acting like a fool.